can't tell. Is that like thunder or fireworks? Can't tell. I can't tell. It might be fireworks. See, I gotta use a light in order to see anything. It's dark. Is it fireworks? I think it is. I don't know if this camera's gonna pick that up, but I kind of see something over there. You're probably not gonna be able to see it on camera, but I think it is. I think it really is fireworks. I don't know who's setting them off, but I can kind of see them over there. I don't know. Ooh, note to self, don't look in light. I don't know, I think I saw them. It's kind of hard with all the trees. Sure sounds like them. Sounds like fireworks. I know it wouldn't be gunfire. Nobody has that kind of gun. I gotta turn that off. That's fucking blinding me. That's fucking blinding me. But be sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a comment on what you thought it was, and I'll catch you on the next video. Whoop whoop.